Hello, and welcome to Data-Driven Product Management using R. My name is Matthew Varghese, and I'm a product manager, data scientist, and startup investor. The overarching goal of this course is to enable product managers to influence customers and stakeholders using data. This course has been 3 years in the making, and it is distilled from a body of work comprising of over 50,000 lines of code and over 1,000 different data visualizations. This course is also a first in a series of courses I plan to do for product managers. Now, I learned R the hard way, and I think I can save you a great deal of time and effort in not just learning, but applying R to your work. This is a highly curated course with a very narrow target learner, a product manager. As a product manager, you will save months worth of time and effort you would have otherwise spent in learning R and figuring out the appropriate topics that apply to your work. The course focuses on the practical implementation of the learning. So the learning material is concise and precise. You will not be bombarded with hours of lectures and hundreds of source files only to find yourself confused about what to do next. Now, this is not a programming language course. This course teaches you to use R as a tool to advance your career and your business goals. The R notebooks provided with this course are meant to be run with minimal training. They've been rigorously tested on Windows and Mac, and updates, if any, will be posted in a timely manner. This course covers a carefully curated list of descriptive analytics topics like outlier analysis, exploratory data analysis, and cohort analysis. These topics are taught using product management specific use cases to be applied immediately. Now let me describe how this course is organized. This course is based on a framework I developed called Data-Driven Influence. The framework consists of 3 parts: data democratization, data storytelling, and automation. Democratization is all about enabling your internal partners with data and facilitating collaboration. The ultimate goal of data democratization is cross-functional decision making. So this part of the framework deals with the foundational elements of data-driven decision making, like building a common data analysis environment and building a single common master data set. Data storytelling is all about influencing stakeholders and customers using data. This part of the framework deals with the actual influencing process itself and includes practices like data visualization, analysis, and so on. Now, automation covers tools and processes to enhance personal and team productivity while curating data and reporting insights. Automation is also the glue that makes democratization and storytelling reinforce each other. With automation, the more you share with others, the more influential you become. And the more influential you become, the more people share with you. We start this course with data democratization. This topic is covered in 2 sections. In the first section, Getting Started with R and RStudio, you will set up reproducible data analysis environments. In the next section, Facilitating Collaborative Decision Making, you will learn to combine data from different departments into one master data set and open it up for cross-functional collaboration. In this section, I'll also introduce you to some basic data visualization. We will then transition over to data storytelling. While people commonly associate data storytelling with data visualization, I cover the topic in a more in-depth manner. I will introduce you to all the critical thinking and analysis steps that need to occur before you visualize the data. I will cover data storytelling in 4 sections. In the first section, Hone Your Instincts with Data, you will build data-driven customer profiles, which will help you eliminate bias and guesswork in decision making. In the second section, Studying Customer Segments and Cohorts, you will build customer segments in a non-traditional manner, which I have found to be more effective in a business context. In this section, you will also learn to use cohort analysis to translate feature usage to customer retention. In the third section, Studying Outliers, You will learn to plan for extreme use cases by studying the behaviors of extreme customers. And in the final section of data storytelling, telling stories with data, you will learn to build compelling, layered visualizations by applying a methodology called Grammar of Graphics. This course also has 2 sections on automation. They are introduced midway and at the end of the course. In the first section, Preparing Data for Analysis, you will learn to automate the data curation process. This includes cleaning up data, correcting mistakes, and so on. In the second section, Creating Reports and Using Notebooks, you will learn to create and publish rich, compelling reports while automating most of the process. I am so excited to share this journey with you, and I'm confident that you will be able to apply my methodology to your work within no time. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.